BAWA, Belgaum Animal Welfare Association, started in 2019 and is caring and helping strays all over Belgaum. There are around 20 volunteers supporting BAWA. Animals who are treated in BAWA are strays either injured by accident, abandoned by their owners, or affected by the disease. So we spent a day with BAWA to know more and understand their vision.
We have an NGO called BAWA, BAWA, which is known as Belgaum Animal Welfare Association. So basically we are into treating of street animals, injured animals, and then we rehabilitate them and we even put them up for adoption so that they have a better life.
So everybody has a different story how they are associated with BAWA. My story begins 2 years before. There was this dog which used to come to my place. It used to take shelter in the monsoon, and it licked few puppies, and unfortunately it died. It met with an accident and it died. So the puppies were left alone, and I took it as a responsibility. I had to take care of them. I took it to a vet. I used to feed them regularly, and they are in a very good state now.
ॲक्च्युली 2018 मध्ये एक इन्सिडेंट झालेला. आयनॉक्स थिएटरकडे एक कुत्रं होतं, त्याच्यावरनं एक ट्रॅक्टर गेलेलं. बॅक देन आय वॉज इन अदर ऑर्गनायझेशन दॅट वॉज नॉट ॲनिमल रिलेटेड. आम्ही तिकडं गेलो आणि आम्ही तिकडे एक टेम्पररी टेंटसारखं बांधलेलो, म्हणजे ते सॅकचं टेंट बांधलो अराउंड अ ट्री आणि कुत्र्याला ठेवलेलो. डेली जात होतो, फॉलोअप करत होतो. मग डॉक्टर सगळं येऊन केले, खरं ते इट वॉज नॉट रिकवरिंग. सो थोडे ॲनिमल लवर्स आम्ही मिळून त्या कुत्र्याला नियर ऑटोनगर एक शेड आहे तिकडं शिफ्ट केलो, आणि वी पेड दॅट पर्सन सम सर्टन अमाऊंट, अँड आफ्टर फ्यू मंथ्स दॅट डॉग कम्प्लिटली रिकवर्ड. आणि त्याच्यानंतर माझ्या लाईफमध्ये असे भरपूर पॉझिटिव्ह चेंजेस आले विच आय ॲट्रिब्युटेड टू दिस इन्सिडेंट, अँड दिस इज हाऊ आय गॉट इन टू ॲनिमल वेलफेअर.
फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड I'm having the phrase, and wherever I used to see the dogs and all, I just go and feed them. And yeah, whenever I see them injured or anything, then I just get them house. I give them tablets. I take care, and I just leave them. From childhood, I'm having the craze till now.
How you got the
2 months back, I just my neighbor, she told me that there is an NGO of BAWA, and I just contact Amit and Varun. There was a quick response from them. There was a stray dog who got the skin disease, and उनका भी सब किया है, tablets देके, injection देके. Now she's fine. From Facebook also I got the number and all.
Joining this group invited many problems, such as financial problem, like rescue problem. We don't have proper place for treatment of animals. Apart from that, doctors, many doctors are not passionate towards the street animals. That's the reason we don't get correct guidance from the doctor. And these are some of the problems. Then financial problem is an important problem.
So the challenges faced towards the start was कि हम लोगों को डॉक्टर्स नहीं मिलते थे. डॉक्टर्स यूज्ड टू नॉट कम टू द स्पॉट, और ट्रीटमेंट के लिए बहुत ही प्रॉब्लम वी यूज्ड टू फेस. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में वी यूज्ड टू नॉट एबल टू टेक द डॉग टू द वेट, एंड देन फंड्स का इशू होता था. बट समहाउ विद द हेल्प ऑफ आवर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिलीज वी मैनेज टू डू दैट.
ये बड़ा होना है, ये देखो ना साइज, इधर रख दो. दिस इज द साइज.
इथे सगळं शूट कर वरून दा कನ್ನಡ ಇದೆ
ಏನು ಆನಿಮಲ್ ವೆಲ್ಫೇರ್ ರೀ ಸರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಸ್ ಸತ್ತೋಗೈತಿ, ನಾವು ಬರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾಕೋರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮನೆ ಕರ್ಕೊ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ.
हेल्प बोलना ना कर
ए
चलिए हम लोग
क्या वो बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे नहीं, मैं क्या कर रही हूँ.
So during floods, we got a call from our dear friend Mayuri Dakhoji. So we were informed about a dog that had a very grave wound. तर मी अँड वरुण कारखानेस वेंट टू द लोकेशन आणि चेक केलं त्याला. तर इट वॉज व्हेरी मच इंजर्ड इन अ व्हेरी क्रिटिकल स्टेट. ऑलमोस्ट 3 इंचचं त्याला वूंड होतं विथ फिल्ड विथ ऑल मॅगट्स अँड ऑल दॅट. वी हॅड टू कॉल द डॉक्टर्स बट नन ऑफ देम रिस्पॉन्डेड. दे वर लाईक व्हिडिओ काढून पाठवा, आय मीन विल चेक अँड लेट यू नो. तर व्हिडिओ काढून पाठवलं आम्ही आणि दे वर लाईक नाही इट्स इन अ व्हेरी बॅड स्टेट आणि वी हॅव टू पुट इट डाऊन. समहाव आम्हाला वाटलं नाही की त्याला पुट डाऊन करायचं आहे आणि वी थॉट टू कंटिन्यू द ट्रीटमेंट. तर द स्ट्रगल बिगेन राईट फ्रॉम देअर, राईट फ्रॉम द ट्रान्सपोर्ट. आता त्या डॉगला कसं घेऊन जायचं आहे, तर ऑटो पीपल वर नॉट रेडी टू टेक द डॉग बिकॉज इट वॉज हेविली ब्लीडिंग. तर त्याच्यानंतर समहाव वी मॅनेज्ड टू टेक हिम इन अन ऑटो. Second was with the shelter. We were not getting shelter to keep him, so we called up Mayuri once again, and she was very much kind enough to give her the shelter. So we kept him in the Dakuji clinic and we started the treatment. It took us almost 45 days for the whole treatment, and finally it showed recovery, and it was well in like 50 days. So it was fully recovered. We were very much happy the first time it looked at us and it wagged its tail. That was like the happiest moment for us. Then the second thing was about the adoption. We had to find him a home now, so we started posting about him on the Facebook page and we started getting a lot of response. The issue was we were getting calls from Gokak, Dhamni, Hubli and all those places, and since we were like emotionally attached to it, we didn't want to send him far from us. So we were like yahi pe paas mein dekhenge. And so finally we got a call from Rituraj sir, who is a dear friend of Mayuri. So we went to his place and like they were like lovely family. All of them accepted the dog and they named it as Leo. For us it was Lobo, but now it's named as Leo. It's a really lovely family and they've been taking really good care of it, and we often visit him. So that's the happiest moment, and we really feel proud that it's living a very nice life.
Bawa got a call regarding an accident in which a dog was injured. The dog was run over by an auto, leaving his leg and back portion injured and paw bones broken. After going to the spot and examining the dog, they conducted first aid treatment and moved the dog to a secured location. They named the dog as Primo. Primo was treated there for around 2 months. It's fully recovered now and leading a happy and healthy life.
ॲक्च्युली हे NGO स्टार्ट करायला आमचे एक मित्र आहेत किशोर सिंग ठाकूर. त्यांना फ्लड्सच्या टाईमला थोडे अमाऊंट त्यांना रिलीफला मिळालेले जे उरलेलं, मग त्यांनी ते अमाऊंट आम्हाला दिलं आणि ते आम्ही या NGO स्टार्ट करायला यूज केलं. ऑल्सो आमचे CA एकदम चांगले आहेत, त्यांनी स्वतःचे पर्सनल फीज काही घेतले नाही आणि आम्हाला भरपूर कमी मने हे रजिस्टर करून दिले आमचे NGO. सो वी आर व्हेरी थँकफुल टू हिम.
We don't have proper place or shelter for treatment of injured animals. That's the reason we take the doctor to the spot and treat them there only. All the members of association are trained with first aid training.
So the biggest issue we faced was the shelter. हमारे पास shelter नहीं था and we don't have like गवर्नमेंट से अप्रूव्ड कोई शेल्टर नहीं है. सो वी यूज्ड टू ब्रिंग ऑल द एनिमल्स टू आवर हाउसेस, फ्रेंड्स के घर पे, एंड ऑल द अबैंडन प्लेसेस वी यूज्ड टू गो एंड वी यूज्ड टू कीप दीज डॉग्स. We used to get the doctors there and we used to treat them. Even for the follow-up, we all used to go and we used to treat them. So shelter is still a big issue for us, and we are requesting the government authorities to please provide us a shelter so that it can help many lovely creatures.
आमच्या पेजवरचे ॲडॉप्शन प्रोग्राम पण चालते. पप्पीज आणि किटन्स तर ऑलमोस्ट रेग्युलर बेसिसमध्ये ॲडॉप्ट होत आहेत, आणि नॉट जस्ट फ्रॉम बेलगम, गोकाक आणि खानापूर असे इतर जागाकडून पण लोक येतात आणि आमचे पप्पीज आणि किटन्स आमच्या पेज थ्रू ॲडॉप्ट करत आहेत.
Bawa provides food for stray animals during night. Around 30 to 40 animals around Hindwadi, Udyambak, Tirakwadi are fed every day through Bawa members.
Future plans, we plan to start a vaccination campaign and a sterilization campaign. The special thing about the vaccination campaign is we'll be going door to door to vaccinate all the animals.
So then the next option we thought of was doing a small carrier which would be attached to our two-wheelers so that we could carry these injured animals very easily. But then we found out that it's illegal to have such carriers fitted onto a two-wheeler. So the next option we thought of was building a bicycle that will be electric powered, which will have a small carrier in front of it so that it will be easier for us to carry these injured animals. And we are working with a KTech. I mean, it's basically it's a startup organization funded by the government of Karnataka, and we are using their facility to build a small cargo bike, basically a bicycle that will have a cargo compartment which will be used to carry the animals, and it will be powered by an electric motor.
ॲक्च्युली स्ट्रीट व्हायलन्स म्हणजे एक पारिजात कॉलनी म्हणून आहे, तिकडे रिसेंटली 9 डॉग्सला कोणतं पॉयझन घातलेलं. आम्ही ह्या केसला एक्सटेन्सिव्हली फॉलोअप केलं. आम्ही रेग्युलरली तिलकवाडी पोलीस स्टेशनबरोबर इन टचमध्ये होतो. इवन पोलिसनी आम्हाला भरपूर सपोर्ट केला आणि जे प्राईम सस्पेक्ट्स होते त्यांना तिकडे बोलवलं, त्यांना ॲक्च्युली वॉर्निंग पण दिली. बट बिकॉज लोकलाइट्समध्ये कोणी पण येऊन ॲक्च्युली दे वर नॉट विलिंग टू कम अँड फाईल अ कंप्लेंट. दे वर ओनली लेट ऑफ विथ अ वॉर्निंग. कुठं पण ॲनिमल व्हायलन्स झालं तर वी विल अपोज इट. आणि आम्ही बेळगाव सगळ्या लोकांना आम्ही रिक्वेस्ट करतो की कुठं पण ॲनिमल क्रुएल्टी झालं तर पहिलं जाऊन पोलीस कंप्लेंट करा म्हणून.
पीपल एनिमल्स को मारते हैं और स्टोन से मारते हैं और पॉइजनिंग भी करते हैं. आई रिक्वेस्ट एवरीवन नॉट टू डू दैट. इवन दे हैव अ गुड हार्ट, प्लीज डू